It's time for unity. This journey not only brings the two worlds of yoga, meditation, wellness, well-being, and the entertainment all together. Because as we all know, these two worlds were always separated. This journey of Heartfulness Yoga, followed by Heartfulness meditation, with the Hypnotic Sound Journey, and beautiful music that will follow.
A space where they can connect with themselves and tune into their own safe space, where they have the possibility to recharge their whole system on the body, mind and heart level. We create a space where they can be themselves and feel free without any substances.
Even the best substance will only give you a high for a very, very short amount of time. Opening the access to the subconscious, but also opening the access to the universal, to the divine, to the source, gives you a new dimension for your whole life.